All right, what's up, boys? So I'm gonna go over the trade recap for today. It looks a little bit differently because you can actually see my face. I got OBS up on my monitor over here. So going over the trade recap for today. Took a loss on today. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm just gonna be done de-risking myself until after the election. These past few days have been pretty good. But just today, I don't know what the fuck the market wanted to do today. I think it's just because of the election. And I know I said this in the previous video from yesterday. I said not to blame the market, but in this case, um, I'm still not blaming the market, dude. I'm still blaming myself because I still could have gotten a winning trade out of this right here if I really wanted to. If I scalped this, for example, let's just say if we had this 1 minute fair value gap, and if I scalped this little fucking trade, I honestly could have made a quick bag. Sell, stop loss right here, take profit at these lows right here. Bro, I could have made half a fucking band right there just off of that. Boom. I could have made half a band off that, but it's all good. I'm not really mad about it. So daily bias, if we go on the 4 hour time frame, we could see that market open. We had sweeping these lows, and at that point, I was like, okay, great, we're gonna go to the upside. I wasn't really looking to target these highs. I was just looking to target internal resting liquidity somewhere around in this area. Um, as you can see, we ended up continuing down even lower, continuing lower. I don't really know why. If you look at NQ, pretty much the same thing. We could see that we had this 4 hour fair value gap, which was also part of equilibrium at this point before market opened. I'll show you guys this real quick. This was market open. So basically equilibrium right there in this 4 hour fair value gap. So what I was looking for, let's just go back on the 1 hour, probably let's go on the 3 minute time frame. So what I was really looking for was, let me play this out a little bit. I was looking for a sweep below these lows. And at this point, I was looking for something as a confluence to the upside so I could take it into this gap, or at least just take it above these pre-market highs right here. I didn't want to take it up to any of this because it's just, to me, that's unnecessary. I would have been perfectly happy with my profits. And honestly, if I took this trade, if I took it on ES, just how I had it up, this would have 1000% passed my funded account challenge. If I added up the day that the one that I took on Tuesday and this one, this would have passed my funded account challenge, which would have been perfect. Unfortunately, did not. I'm in a little bit of a not drawdown, but down a little bit from before. All good though. Why did I take this trade? If you look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we swept these lows right here. Come farther back, we swept these lows right here. If you go on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we're filling this fair value gap, coming down and filling this whole fair value gap right here. This is probably like a daily fair value gap, or like if you look at a higher time frame, potentially even a 6 hour or even like a 10 hour fair value gap. I don't usually look at that, but either way, you can see that we swept these lows. And at this point right here, I'm actually going to mark this out so you can see this point right here. I was like, okay, great. We swept these lows. Now I'm going to want to see a reversal. Where's replay? Reversal. And then I want to see a retracement back into this fair value gap right here. This was going to be this was basically a A+ setup. We had liquidity sweep. We had a inverse fair value gap, which is also a great confluence. And we had our EMAs on the EMAs were perfect right here as well. They were actually crossing at this certain point. I wanted it to take it just above here. This would have been perfect. Like genuinely, I would have taken. I took this setup because how perfect it was. Unfortunately, we have these kind of days where just shit doesn't work out in our way. It's all good though. I'm gonna learn from it. I'm done for the next few days trading. Obviously, Friday I usually don't trade. I just back test, forward test, whatever you want to call it. Monday we have no news Monday, so I might. I don't know if I even. We'll see what the market wants to do. Excuse me. Tuesday we have the election, and then we'll see what else we have next week. So I might just de-risk myself for the next week. See what happens in the market. I don't really know. We'll see. Retracement back into this fair value gap. Boom, buy. It was more down here, but either way, stop loss right here. Okay, I actually want to make this look at as it was. Select, boom, buy right here at the middle of the fair value gap. Stop loss below these lows. Take profit at this high right here. Unfortunately, we came down. I didn't fight anything. I didn't force a trade. I think I just need to go back and see what I did differently, what I should have done differently. Um, I mean, I don't really know what I could have done differently, honestly, if I'm going to be completely honest. Um, it's all good, though. I'm not mad about it. IWM would have been pretty nice to the downside. 5-minute fair value gap right here. 5-minute fair value gap. Boom. Take the entry right here. Stops at these highs right here. Stop loss below, or take profit right here. Boom. That would have been a perfect scalp trade right there. Honestly, I think I'm going to start looking into a little bit more of scalp trading, having more contracts, shorter time periods. Not going to be looking at like fucking 5 different trades within the day, but maybe just 1 or 2 different scalp trades to make a good bag. I'm not mad about this day whatsoever. I knew that we're gonna have days like this coming close to the election. It's all good. Just gonna learn from it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start showing my face a little bit more on YouTube. I don't know why I never did. I just don't like putting myself out. I think I could start finally making like a personal brand around myself. Um, Eventually, I'm looking to start a Discord. If this YouTube channel grows enough, I'm looking to start a Discord where I can start putting people in, do personal mentoring, one-on-one mentoring, whatever the fuck it's going to be, live trades, all that kind of stuff. And actually, I was thinking about it today. I just didn't really act on it. But I'm thinking about I will start doing live trades, just pre-recorded. So they're not actually going to be live on YouTube, but they're just going to be recorded, live trades. So let's just say if I enter a trade right here, I'm gonna go on OBS, start recording. Fucking boom, sell. Okay, I don't know why that tweaked out. Stop loss, take profit. And then be like, all right, guys, we're in this trade. This is basically a 1-on-1, 1-to-1 trade right here. See what happens. All right, boom. What the fuck? I've never had this pop up on me. Okay. Okay, cool. I don't really know what the fuck that was. Interesting. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Within the next few days. I just went to go vote yesterday. If you have not already, go fucking vote. I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing. If you guys want fucking Kamala to win and fuck your economy up, so be it. But go vote. Make a difference. It's your voice, your vote, whatever the fuck you want to say. Go do it. We don't want fucking Kamala in this bitch. All right. See you guys in the next video. I think probably this weekend I'm gonna do another little yap sesh, another little fucking what are they called? Like the back testing session. It's maybe like a 30-40 minute video on that. But then yeah, see you guys then. Peace.